Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your TikTok filter not working issue. Now, TikTok offers you a wide variety of filters to use for your video. So, sometimes there are glitches and issues on apps as well. So, how to fix it? Now, let's get into the video. To use the filter, open the app and tap on the plus icon that you can find on the bottom side of your screen. Now, once you open it, here on the left side of the screen, you can find FX icon. Tap on it and you'll find various filters that you can use. Now, if you have a problem in using this and the FX is not working, simply scroll down and go to settings by tapping on the setting icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Once here, scroll down and look for apps and tap on apps and open it. Now here, search for TikTok. You can simply scroll down and look for it, or you can search here on the search bar. Open it and here go to storage and clear the cache and clear the data. Go to Play Store and make sure you are updated to the latest version of TikTok. Once you have done it, open the app and relog in your account. Your issue will be fixed. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.